There she goes! After a bit of restoration. Another Arby receiver. As they come in, that one just came in, so took it all apart, cleaned it up. Haven't got it hooked up to an antenna, but it's working. Wow, Barbara. UHF type. I'm picking up something, but getting there. Let it run for a while to rebuild the electrolytics. Yes, Dr. Winfield Hutchison. This guy is done. Our AR-88 heavy sucker. Oh yeah. I'll fire it up later. Already picked up some odd signals. That was a good score, I think. Vintage to semi-vintage to Apollo. Collins radio used in the Apollo project. Lucky I scored that, I guess. I don't know. Not getting there. It's taking a bit of time, but well, we're getting there, Major. What else was I working on? Oh yeah. Azimuth indicator for a Canon. That's all done now. I added the bottom section to this piece. Use an indicator. It works just fine. When I build stuff, I only do it to military stuff. Not some dinkety, rinkety plastic garbage junk. Or square button stuff. I'll show you what it is. This kind of stuff is kind of intriguing, but from my use, it's kind of like junk. Well made, well engineered, and it does work, but it doesn't impress me. Much prefer real stuff like that, and all these other pieces. It's the right stuff, right? These are really cool things. And all right, moving right along. That's 3 minutes. How about this guy sit a while and fan with didn't work. All the oil in it was all kind of dried out and didn't work. So that's fixed as well. All right, turning this off.